Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Good morning, Full Circle Ozarks. Well, we're going to try to do a little bit of sawmilling today. Oh, I guess I'm going to have to change. Whew. Okay, here I am. So we're going to start doing cutting some post. I think that's what we're going to do. I need to get some help though. Hubster. Let me go get him and he can come help with this. And then wait, I've got two more people that might come help. Okay, let's do this. Well, there he comes. He's been gathering those cedar logs, and now we're going to use them in the sawmill and saw 4x4 post for the Coop Deville. Yeah. Our chickens are gonna have a palace.
Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. We're going to be milling some 4x4 post out of cedar, and some of the cedar logs that we have, they're not real big, so I created a jig to help me get these squared up the way I wanted them. So that's kind of the way the size of the log should be. So we kind of rotated the log by hand and got it where we want it, and just to help us keep everything where we want it. Now I'm going to fasten this where we want the cut to start, and we'll kind of go from there. So I don't know if this is going to work, so I'm going to show you my failures or a success, one way or the other. But I also going to be welcoming my son and daughter-in-law, Joe, Lisa. Come on around here so they can see ya. This is my beautiful daughter-in-law, Lisa, my son, Joe.
Howdy.
So they're going to be helping Cotton Top and I do a little bit of milling, so hope you enjoy it. Okay, we're going to fasten the middle screw. Now then, I'm going to bring the saw back. We're going to set it right here, make sure that's nice and square. So let's bring it back. And we're going to lower the blade. Is that what it needs? Okay. We'll take a peek through there.
Peek.
Son, what does your eyeballs tell you when you look at it?
Straight enough.
Okay. So now, I want to tighten the other screw up. And we're going to saw it and see what it looks like. So let's fire it up. cut. We're going to flip the log 180 and cut again. We'll lower the head back down and use our template as a guide. Okay, we're going to fire back up and go again. That's a pretty cut. Look how smooth that is.
Smells good.
Guide flowing up. I
That
think
is
it
so
worked.
Pretty, very pretty.
As you can see now, the template that I made, it helped me center the cut where I wanted it. I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this is something that I just was thinking about the other night. I thought that might make it a little bit easier, so I just wanted to try it. I think it worked out pretty good. It was a nice log post.
And what are these posts going to be used for?
For the Coop Deville. Beautiful post there now. Yeah, let's just lay it down here so they can get a better look at it. There you go.
Isn't that pretty?
Beautiful lumber. So
Yeah. And the log's not bad either.
we need, I think we need about 5 more of these. So anyway,
All right. Better get on it.
We're going to start cutting some more. Hope you enjoy it. Lisa, what do you think about cutting your first 4x4 on the sawmill?
Well, I've never done it before. It seemed to be pretty easy, but it was a little nerve-wracking, but yeah, it was fun.
I think she done a great job.
Alrighty, well, we're going to close the video out in step 1 to Coop Deville. And we got our 6 4x4 cedar post milled with the help of Lisa and Joseph and Hubster here. You know, I had to do most of the work, but it's just what it is, you know. So anyway, we will see you later, and we'll have more videos on Coop Deville.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.
Bye.